The people that are insane, you know how sometimes when we write goals down, usually they say write the goal down as if you've already achieved it. If someone whenever like I remember the first time I used to do that, I used to always think I'm like, but I'm being delusional. I'm basically lying to myself. Like I'm living in a fantasy world. But Allah Himself is saying here, no Habibi, you are not insane. And again, if Allah swore by something, that means every other ayah that's coming after this ayah of Allah swearing by the thing, it's related to the thing. So this is related to the pen, which means Habibi, you are not insane. So if you're writing things down and you're like you're putting yourself mentally and emotionally in whatever goal that you're achieving. Like when I used to write down, I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm making $10,000 a month. Back then, like the very first time I wrote that, I used to always think I'm like, Habibi, that's insane. I'm being delusional. I'm lying to myself. And then slowly, I used to put myself in that state. Like I started being fine with being delusional. But then it's so crazy how Allah here says, like, no, you are not insane. I'm like, there's definitely a connection, Habibi. So understand that if you're writing things down and you're putting yourself emotionally in the goal, like you've already achieved it, just understand that is not insane. If anything, living in delusion land is actually more real than living in like real land. Because you do realize that, right? Like everything that you see on the outside, at some point it was imagined first and then it came out on the outside. So you have to imagine something first and then have that thing come out on the outside. Otherwise, you'll never see the thing actually outside. So, this is the very first beautiful lesson that I learned. Writing things down is going to keep your sanity, and Allah Himself is telling you that you're not insane. Even if you think you're delusional, you're not insane.